Wow! Look at that, Femke. It's floating in the air. How amazing! No, wait. There's no need to argue. No. Wow, isn't that so cool? I wonder why it does that. It's like the Hoover. If I don't touch it. If I pull the Hoover this way, does the balloon come with it? It does. Look.